Oh, it's recording.
You didn't laughing at us like. Hi, I'm Braniyah and this is Simora, and we're here with Culturally Relevant Science. Today we're talking about acids and bases and how they differ because of the way their compounds dissociate. Acids are solutions whose compounds dissociate into hydrogen or hydronium ions, while bases are solutions whose compounds dissociate into hydroxide ions. Acids have more hydronium than hydroxide when they break down, and bases have more hydroxide than hydronium when they break down.
The pH scale measures if you have an acid or a basis. 0 through 6 is an acid, which means it has more hydronium. 8 through 14 is a base, which means it has less hydronium and more hydroxide. 7 is equal, which means that hydronium and hydroxide are equal,
making them neutral. Today, we'll be using cabbage juice as our indicator to find out the pH level of these substances,
which is Sprite, vinegar, milk, water, ammonia, and baking soda.
Yesterday, we chopped up an entire cabbage and boiled it.
Not gonna lie, it kind of stinks though, and it still does.
PU. This step, we're going to be pouring equal amounts of all solutions into the beakers and then adding cabbage juice to see which color they turn.
Now it's time for our favorite step.
Wait, start over. Sorry.
Make sure you pour enough so you get a real nice color. This step, we'll be talking about the colors of each solution.
All we're going to do is match it on our pH scale.
This solution is baking soda and water, and it has turned teal or green, which on our red cabbage indicator or pH scale is an 11. Yeah. So the baking soda and
is
water,
a base.
yeah, because it's above 7. So the ammonia is turned very yellow, so we're going to say it's a 14.
Which is also a base.
So this is water, which has turned a shade, which some might say is a 6, and some might say is a 7. That might be because we use tap water, but it's still water, which is neutral, so we're going to say 7. Now we have milk. Milk has turned purple. We're going to say that's a 6.
Which makes it an acid. Now,
Vinegar, which has turned a very fire truck shade of red. We're going to say, is it a 1 or is it a 0?
You know what, let's make it a 1. So, vinegar is an acid.
And then Sprite. Sprite is very pink. So it's not exactly red, but it's close there. So we're going to say it's a 2.
Which makes it an acid.
Now we are going to sort the solutions from highest amount of hydronium to lowest amount, which means acid to basic. This is going to be our guide, so anything beyond this point will be an acid, and anything behind will be a base. See you in a flash. Wow, that was fast.
I know, right?
On this side we have vinegar, which is the lowest on the pH scale, which means it has the highest amount of hydronium.
And here we have ammonia, which is the highest pH scale and has the least amount of hydronium.
Thank you for watching CR Sci. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Or else we will turn you into cabbage juice. Trust me, we'll find you.
Toodles!
Bye!